Leading oil and gas companies often face significant financial and operational challenges when exploring and developing new drilling opportunities. To navigate these complexities, they frequently turn to third-party investors. But why is this practice so prevalent? Well, first, the oil and gas industry is notoriously capital-intensive. The costs associated with exploration, drilling, and production can run into the millions or even billions of dollars. By engaging third-party investors, companies can alleviate some of these financial burdens. These investors provide the necessary capital, allowing the companies to pursue multiple projects simultaneously without overextending their resources. This diversification is crucial because it spreads risk across various ventures while multiplying the number of projects that can be explored at any given time. Moreover, third-party investors often bring additional expertise and resources to the table. Many have specialized knowledge of specific regions or technologies, which can enhance the efficiency and success rate of drilling operations. This collaboration can lead to innovative approaches in resource extraction, ultimately benefiting both the oil and gas companies and their investors. Another reason for utilizing third-party investors is to maintain flexibility in operations. By partnering with investors, companies can remain agile, adjusting their strategies based on market conditions without being tied down by heavy debt or fixed costs. Lastly, engaging third-party investors can improve a company's financial standing. It can enhance their balance sheets, making them more attractive to potential partners and stakeholders. This improved perception can open doors to further investment opportunities and strategic alliances. In summary, oil and gas companies utilize third-party investors to diversify their portfolios, share financial risks, leverage expertise, maintain operational flexibility, and enhance their overall market position. This strategic approach is essential for thriving and maximizing returns in the competitive and ever-expanding energy landscape. If you have an interest in investing in oil and gas, whether you're a seasoned veteran or a first-time investor, then click on the link below or go to texoenergy.com to receive our free investment guide. We'd love to help.